friends! Welcome back to our channel. For those who are new here, my name is Bien Lovelax. I love to talk about fashion, lifestyle, and of course luxury. And I'm posting a video every single week. And if you like this kind of content, please do consider hit that red subscribe button. And of course, smash that notification bell so you're gonna be notified every time I'm posting a new video. And of course, consider follow me on Instagram so you're gonna be updated in my everyday days video. It's another Louis Vuitton hard to find handbag unboxing. This handbag is quite hard to find handbags, and finally I get my hands on this one. I bought this one 2 weeks ago, but then I still don't do the unboxing because I want to do the unboxing with you guys. And you know, it's a hype. This handbag is a hype handbag. And then at first, you know, I really have a doubt about getting this handbag because, like, you know, I don't understand why this handbag looks like this. But recently, after I'm watching a lot of YouTube videos, I was convinced. And although we're gonna do the unboxing, so like, you know, we have the, of course, the orange box right here, and we have the Chinese New Year ribbon, like, you know, which is the red and gold. So let's idea what it is, you know. Oh, so first we have the receipt right here, and of course I bought this one from my SA, so she just sent it to me. And inside we have the dust bag. You still have the tag here, and then the sticker on the back. And you know what it is, guys? So I have the multi-pochette accessoire. So I have here the multi-pochette accessoire, and in pink strap right here. So, my God, guys. So the multi-pochette accessoire has been out already in the market for like more than a year now, and it's been a hype. So the multi-pochette, guys, consists of 3 different kind of purses. So you have the round one here, and then the second one is the medium size, and then the third one is the biggest size. This is slightly bigger than the regular pochette accessoire. And then the size for this one is about 24 cm across, and then the height is about 13 cm, and then the thickness is about 4 cm. Made of canvas regular monogram, and then with vachetta leather, and then gold hardware. And of course, this one is like a regular size of monogram. And of course, the cute feature of this one is like underneath you have a smaller monogram. So it has like a zipper closure here where you can open quite smooth. And then inside, as you can see, it was lined with a fabric. And of course, you also have there like the vachetta leather, which says Louis Vuitton made in Paris, made in France, which is like, you know, I prefer with the Louis Vuitton if it's made in France. And of course, inside you have the date code there in the side here on the side, and then you have a pocket here in the back. So that's the first compartment, guys. And then the second one, this one is the middle size. So this one is slightly bigger than the mini pochette, and then like smaller than the pochette accessoire. So the size for this one is 18 cm across, and then 11 cm height, and the thickness is 3 cm. The same, like, you know, smaller monogram under here, and then like you have the regular monogram, and then you also have the vachetta leather and a gold hardware. But this one is different because, like, you know, you have the D-ring here, like, you know, the clasp where you can attach for other handbag or something like that, or you can also use this one for your belt. And you have the zipper here, like with gold zipper, and then with LV print there. And then when you open, it's no lining, guys. So, and then, like, you know, it's just like no compartment at all, just like a big hello. And then you have the date code over there. And then the third one, you have the keychain or like a key ring, which you can use, like, you know, it's either for coins, but for me, this one is like perfect for my car key, which is like, you know, I'm using a mini. So like the mini car key is like round, which I have here. So this one. So actually, guys, one of the reason why I bought this pochette, multi-pochette, because of this round coin purse, because I saw this one in a second-hand market. It's quite expensive, guys. It's about, like, you know, about 450 US dollar. So, like, you know, with this one already, you know, you already have quite big amount for this very small coin purse. And of course, I'm really looking for the perfect size for my car key, because my car key is quite unique, and it's like, look at that, guys. It's like match in heaven. You know, it's just like so perfect for that one. So this one, I think it's gonna be, I'm gonna use this one for a long time for my car key. So like, you know, everywhere I go, I'm gonna bring this coin purse. And the size for this one is about 9 cm across, so like, you know, 9 cm circumference. So this is so perfect, guys. And of course, we're gonna talk about the strap, which is like, you know, maybe this is one of the reason why I bought this handbag, guys, because of this strap. You know, this is the buying point of this handbag, because I really want like a thicker strap, because like especially when you're traveling, or like, you know, you're going somewhere and then your bag is a bit heavy. You know, it's quite nice to have a thicker strap like this, because it doesn't dig in into your shoulder and it won't hurt. Even like, you know, for a long time you're walking around, it's okay. And this one is very fashionable as well. You know, I'm thinking about like, you know, using this one in my different kind of handbag, Louis Vuitton handbag, as long as it's like gold hardware. This one is perfect. So like, you know, I'm gonna make another video for that. And this one is made of fabric like this, and then it was a print, Louis Vuitton print all over the strap, and the strap thickness is about 4 cm, and the hardware is gold. And of course, here you also have a vachetta leather. So yeah, and it's adjustable, so you can have like it longer or shorter or something like that. So this one is very versatile, and I love the color pink. It's a perfect pink. Some component of this handbag, guys, is the gold chain, which has like only like a D-ring here, which you cannot like, you know, use to clasp in the other handbag. So this one is only purposely used for this smaller handbag right here. Yeah, so this one. But then I think like, you know, it's quite wiggly if I wear them with my hand. So let's find out what can fit in this bigger compartment, guys. So I have here my mini pochette, which I have my mask, my alcohol, my lipstick, pen, and of course like some wet tissue. So let's put inside. And then of course we have here my regular wallet. So it's quite a big wallet, guys. So let's put in there. And then I can put like, you know, a powder over here on the side. So everything. So when you close, guys, it really doesn't really hold the shape of the handbag. It has like a little bulk like that. And then given the fact that everything that I put is quite square shape, quite a flat shape. So like, you know, it doesn't really hold the shape. So the next one, the smaller compartment, I think I can put, in this compartment, I can put my cell phone. So I have my iPhone 11 there. And of course, I have also my a key clay, which hold like I don't have house key, guys. It holds like, you know, smaller, like small perfumes, all the miniature things. And then I also have small lipstick. I have some cards here. I have some small perfume. I have like my mint, you know, so it fits right there. And I think I can fit more, but for now, because it's just like my necessity I'm doing, so you can still fit more. So maybe you can also put shades in here. And of course, this one, the round case, you know, it's the smaller AirPods can fit, but you need to take out the cover for the AirPods, otherwise it's a little bulky. But the perfect one for this one is I'm gonna use this one for my car key, which is like, you know, a mini. So the mini is quite round like this, so this one is like, you know, perfectly fit here. So this is the house of my car key, so like that's perfect for that one. So that's it. So let's construct the bag together. So the first thing is like, you know, I want to attach this one with the smaller pochette. Attach the strap. It's attached now, and then I will attach this one in. Of course, we will attach the strap here in the, and then voila. Let's discuss about the price of this handbag, guys. Unfortunately, I already got this handbag after the price increase. So before, the price is about 1,850, and then now it's already 2,050, and then plus tax. So of course, like, you know, I paid around 2,280. Of course, here in Thailand it's a bit more expensive here because of the tax and everything. So unfortunately, I bought this handbag like quite expensive. But then I checked the second-hand market, you know, like Real, Farfetch or something like that. This handbag cost at least 3,000. So like, you know, right away I made. So this is the way I use this handbag, guys. So I'm just wearing a button-down shirt, white shirt from Zara, and then like, you know, I have here the jeans from Levi's, and then I'm wearing like a mule, this one from Gucci. So this is just like very relaxed, like very simple outfit, and then the moment you wear this handbag, it elevates the outfit. It looks so chic, so fashionable, and it looks very different right away. So, but actually guys, honestly, this one I really don't like, you know, this one to be here. It's wiggly, so I think I take it out. And then as you can see guys, it has like a little deformity here. It really doesn't hold the shape of the handbag, so like, you know, I'm not so happy about that. So this is just like the only thing that you need to consider if you buy this handbag. But the K pouch, guys, I really love it. And the shoulder bag here, even I have plenty of things here. It's quite heavy, but since the strap is quite thick, it doesn't dig in into your shoulder. It's quite nice. So I'm so happy about that. And we'll try smaller compartment, and it will look like way. So voila. So it's either you take out this one, but of course I always, every time I wear this handbag, this strap, I will put this K pouch here, because like, you know, that is where it belongs. And of course you can also change this one. It's so versatile, so it looks like that. It's more cute. And then if you doesn't want to do like this, so this one you can really use it like casually like this. So it's voila. See, the good thing about this handbag, guys, is like, you know, you can wear them different way and different looks, and it, you know, it different purposes. Yes, that you wear this one with just solid colors, like, you know, just like a white t-shirt or a jeans or just a short or like button-down shirt. It's just like, you know, elevates your outfit right away and shave your age like at least 10 years younger, because this is like stylish, very youngish, fresh. I discourage you guys to wear something printed, florals, or like, you know, something very busy prints, because like the handbag itself is already very busy because it's a monogram. So like, you know, just keep it simple and like in whites, creams, and of course like just basic colors. You know, this outfit's gonna be very perfect for that. Any questions or any suggestion, please let me know. Please comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for the support. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to my channel, like and share it to your social media accounts. And have a good day, everyone. Bye till the next video.